Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the intro, I am doing a major wig transformation today. I am so obsessed with this look, you guys. I love me a blunt cut. Shout out to Myfirstwig because they provided me this 12-inch pre-highlighted 13x6 lace frontal wig to work on today. I knew for a fact I was going to go in and cut this to basically transform it. It was giving very much so church wig in the beginning, but I was like, okay, we can work with this because Yaki texture, you guys, is going to make your wig look like it's growing out of your scalp as long as you press it out like you're supposed to. And I also think it depends on what company you're getting your Yaki wigs from. A lot of these companies that I work with have amazing Yaki wigs, so this is one that I will vouch for because this is not my first Yaki texture from Myfirstwigs, and it always turns out amazing. So as you can see, I'm basically, constructing my hairline, making sure I get all that extra lace up off of there, and I also cut my ear tabs out. And as you can see, we have amazing deep parting space to work with on this unit. So that's when I knew, as soon as I unboxed this unit, I knew for a fact I was going to do a blunt short bob. So I'm going in with my adhesive spray. I also added a little bit of foundation powder on the lace, but the adhesive spray that I'm using today is from Ebony, New York. This is their active adhesive spray. You guys, I'm never picking up my Got2b glue spray anymore. This is going to be the one. I'm also obsessed with the lace quality. You guys are going to see it right here, how well this lace melts into my skin. So this makes your life so much easier when the quality of the lace is on 100%. Also, this unit is a pre-bleached knot unit, so you're not going to have to bleach your knots yourself, and you can see how realistic and how bright the lace is. So that's another thing that I would like to let y'all know about Myfirstwig's unit. So now that we have the elastic band on, my hot comb was not hot yet while I was doing this, guys. So do not do this, okay? I don't even know why I inserted that part in the video because I don't want anybody to hurt themselves. I just used it to press it down. So as you can see, we're getting into the shear work, and I'm just cutting a very nice blunt bob, starting long first. You don't want to go in too short because you might not know kind of like how you want this to turn out. I knew for a fact I wanted it to be short, but I didn't know how short I wanted it. I wanted to commit to the length once I took the elastic band off. So as I see it now, I do know that I wanted it to be a little bit shorter than this, but for the sake of the video, I just went ahead and started playing around with my hairline, just using my hot comb to rake everything back so everything can be laid down. And I didn't have to remove any extra hair off of this wig, so that is a plus. Okay, so now we're going to get into cutting the rest of the hair, but I kind of like chopped that part out of the video because I didn't want you guys to be tortured with watching me cut the rest of this hair. But I used my Baby Bliss flat iron to smooth everything out, you guys. And when I say this flat iron is a dream, it just makes your hair look so good, okay? Like, especially on Yaki hair, I love using this flat iron because one is the biggest one that the Baby Bliss collection has, and it just makes my life so much easier while I'm doing my hair. So I'll link it down in the description box below if you guys are interested. And as you can see, my little flyaways are coming through, so we're going to get that under control in a second, but I'm still pressing this bad boy out so it can be very seamless and blunt. Do y'all see that cut though? I did that. Yes, thank you very much. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up for that because I definitely ate this cut. Not only am I going to get into laying my my flyaways down, I am going to put my elastic band on one more time so this lace can melt even better. So I'm using my Pattern Beauty oil spray and the Ebony, New York adhesive one more time to lay it down. Those are the two products that I like to use. I like to make sure I have something that has a little bit of shine because I don't want the hairspray to look too hard and crunchy on me. All right, y'all, so we pretty much made it to the end. This wig definitely came through. I feel like this transformation was one of my favorites so far this year. So once again, this is a 13 by 6, 130% density. This is Indian hair. It's a yaki texture, and it has the deep bleach, deep ultimate pre-plucked hairline, you guys. All of that information will be linked down in the description box below, but I do need to let my girls know that their Black Friday deal is crazy. Listen, their entire product line will be upgraded for free. They're going to be having all that quality that you need in your life when you're trying to install a wig without the price. So it's going to be on their 13 by 4 units, their 13 by 6 units. So make sure you guys take advantage of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something, or you try something out. Maybe you try a Yaki unit. Let me know if you do. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.